won't believe the prompts we use to create these cinematic food scenes. Get them now. Are you ready to master AI prompting? In this session, I'll show you the secrets to generating stunning cinematic visuals of your favorite foods.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
I came across a video on YouTube from one digital hub. So I decided to join her group, and from there, she shared prompts about a cinematic AI food. So I copied one of her prompts and I pasted it on ChatGPT. From there, ChatGPT analyzed the prompt and created it for my AI generator tool, which is Gemini Business. Before I pasted the prompt there and it didn't work, it was not accepted. So I have to come to ChatGPT and it got me the right prompt for Gemini Business. So if you want to generate a video, wherever you want to generate, you need to know the capacity of your AI generator. Okay? So you come to ChatGPT, it will help you create according to the level of the AI generator you are using. So right now, I told ChatGPT to create 2 to 10 more prompts, make it shorter for Gemini version, add for design it for YouTube short. And here are the results. Now let us try and make a video. So I copied a prompt there. I pasted it on Gemini Business. Now let us see the video. Are you seeing it? That's very good. From now on, I took that prompt and I put it on my Google Doc. I save it on my Google Doc because I'm going to paste the link on my bio. This is how you continue creating videos. You copy the prompt and paste it on your video generator, AI video generator. From there, it will create the video for you. And if you like it, then you save it. Right now, as you can see, I am pasting my prompt on my Google Doc. Now let us do a second one. This is our second prompt I'm going to use to generate another video. As you can see, it is already pasted in Gemini Business. Now let us see the outcome. Wow, this is beautiful. Are you seeing it? Please do not forget to always download and save it so that you can continue with it later. Now it's ice cream. I decided to work on ice cream this time around. Then ChatGPT created prompt for me for ice cream. I think I choose something else. I choose it has to do with galaxy. Something like galaxy. Yes. Now let us see. Yeah. Now let us watch the outcome, the video. Wow. So beautiful. Are you seeing the ice cream?
Now that you've seen how to create the prompts, let me show you the final AI video that was generated from them. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.